Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Japan's JP foreign reserves will be released at 23:50 GMT. The US unit labour costs at 12:30 GMT. Australia's imports at 1:30 GMT. Australia's exports will be released at 1:30 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The French 10Y bond auction at 8:50 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Oil prices settled down after US data showed surprisingly large build in gasoline and diesel inventories, swelling fuel supplies with OPEC Plus planning more output and trade tensions clouding the energy demand outlook. The US services sector contracted for the first time in nearly a year in May, while businesses paid higher prices for inputs. A reminder that the economy remains in danger of experiencing a period of very slow growth and high inflation. Bybit, the world's second largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, has revealed a comprehensive security overhaul following its $1.4 billion hack in February. Bybit has implemented a three-pronged security upgrade.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The last session saw the Bitcoin fall 0.5% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The pound got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.